What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to cut down so much time from your old braiding thingy. And to do that, I'm going to be prepping this extension. It is a blend that I have up on my channel already. I'm going to link it in the description box. I'm going to prep it on this table today. So now this is something that you can do if you are a braider, because I am a braider. In case you do not know, I'm a braider based in Kwara State, Nigeria. You can do this if you are a braider, and if you make hair, like if you make your hair yourself, this will really help you cut down so much time, because you don't have to like start prepping start sorting out the extension while you are braiding your hair, or while you are braiding your client's hair. This saves you so much time. So basically all you just have to do is get the size of the extension that you need. I'm doing regular box braids for this extension that I'm prepping. I'm about to make my hair, and I just decided to prep this extension and then show you guys. So basically all you just have to do is like get section out the extension into the size that you need. If you are making knotless braids, let's say small knotless braids, you know that the extensions that you're going to be feeding in would be smaller, so you just have to like section out the extensions small like that. But for this hairstyle that I want to make for this for the next video, I would also link that video in the description box. I wanted to make small, really tiny regular box braids. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just sectioning out my extensions little by little. Now to section it off, all I'm just doing is prepping the extension. I put one down, then when I put one down, I put the next one on the first one that I made. Basically that's why this video is like really close to you, just so you can see what I am doing. I just put the extensions on one another. Basically that is all you have to do. That way it will have like a crisscross bricklayering thingy going on. If you know about the bricklaying method of braiding, then that is exactly the same thing that you are doing. You are just putting it on top of the other one, on top of the other one, on top of the other one, just like that. You can prep as many extensions as you want on this table. It is very important that you get a table, or even if it's not a table, as long as it's a flat surface, it will work. I prefer this one to the old braiding rack thingy, because for braiding racks it can only take so much, except you want to like have the really big braiding racks, and I don't really think that you would have that if you make your hair by yourself. So you can just get a regular table like close to you, and then just section it off and then prep it there. This takes so many. I have prepped 3 packs of extensions on this table, and it contains it. For this this style that I'm making for myself as well, I prepped almost 3 packs. I actually prepped 2.5 packs, and this is what it is looking like right now. When it gets more, when you prep more extensions, it becomes swollen, or rather, yeah, swollen. So all you just have to do is like press it down, and then you are good to go. You can remove it like this, like one after the other, like that, when you are making your hair, or you can place something on the extension and then start pulling it in that front side that I showed you. Either way works. It really works. Now you have to make sure that you are taking your time to make sure that all the extension pieces that you are prepping are the same size. That way you don't have to start adjusting to maybe reduce or maybe increase it. If you make sure all the pieces are the same size, you are going to cut down so much time, and it will help you braid faster. Imagine if you do the old normal prepping, pulling the extension while you are braiding thing. If you do that, let's say you spend 7 hours to do like medium knotless braids, if you do this method, you are going to end up spending 5 hours. So that's like 2 hours cut down from the old process. You should really try this out, and let me know if it helps. Really let me know, because I know that this has helped me a lot, and I just really wanted to like put this out there for other people who need to know this. You can see the way I just pressed it down. So when I want to braid, all I'll just do is maybe pick from up, or you can put something down and then pull it from the front like that. If you actually did enjoy the video and learned something from it, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this. Also share the video to people who you know would need it, or who you think would need it. It will really help them a lot, and it will also help me and help you as well. And I'll see you beautiful people in the next one. Bye guys.